Hey YouTubers, this is Kelly M coming to you. Today is June 11th. I know it's been a while since I last posted, but I didn't really want to post until I got, some more updates or had something to report. So, drum roll. I got my surgery date. I got the approval. I got my surgery date. And it is set for June 24th. Just got off of the phone. And my doctor's rep, she was like, well, we have, we told the insurance that it's going to be July 1st. And so I said, well, hey, you guys got anything sooner than July 1st? She was like, well, let me check. Can you do June 24th? I was like, yeah. So I got June 24th. She put me down. I got to go meet with them next Tuesday for my final visit. I got to do the pre-op visit. Or the pre-testing, get that done. So I need to call them and get that scheduled. So I probably should be doing that right now instead of posting a video. However, I just wanted to let you guys know I am so excited. I am so excited. And I'm so grateful. I was just kind of talking it up. I kind of just overheard a random conversation this morning. And one of the girls on my floor, on the next team by me, she was talking to someone on my team. And they were talking about the surgery and how she's just been in the gym working out hard and all of that. And then I just picked up that she had the surgery. She had the sleeve. And so I was like, oh my gosh, really? So I told her, I hadn't really planned on telling anybody at work because I didn't want my business all, strewn about the office, but oh well, who cares? So, she's pretty much low key. She hasn't told a lot of people. So, I was like, I gotta talk to you. You gotta be my resource. So, after I got my call, she's actually the first person that I went to. I wanted to call my husband, obviously, but I needed to know if I needed to talk to HR about anything since since she had just gone through it. Anyway, everything's good there with the job. I guess my insurance company, they will set all my short-term disability and stuff up. So I just got to get the price and, my out-of-pocket expenses, which I'm hoping are not too much because, sister girl got to eat. Well, the kids got to eat. I won't be eating, but anyway. So, anywho, I'm just excited. I'm rambling. It's an excitement. I'm not nervous at all. This is divine, honey. This is divine. So I am not nervous. What God has for me, it is for me. And I know without a doubt that He will bring me out. So what God has for me, it is for me. Oh, don't make me start singing it. Anyway, I'll sing on a later date. But anyways, thanks guys for stopping by and watching. Thanks for sharing in my joy, my excitement. Send some prayers up for me if you believe, or send some hope my way. And thank you guys so much for starting and being a part of this journey with me. Man, I'm so appreciative of everyone. You just don't know. I'm like obsessed with YouTube. I watch YouTube sometimes more than I watch TV. And that's a lot because that's all I do. I'm a TV junkie. But anyway, this is my reality. These are my new reality shows rather than the ones on TV. So thank you guys for this new reality. Thank you for your words of wisdom, your tales, your stories, your guidance, and I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys later. I got my surgery. I'm so happy. Anyway, that was lame, I know. Anyway, bye.